These are some of the first people in the world to trial a potential vaccine to coronavirus. At this medical centre in the city of Suzhou, healthy volunteers take an initial dose of a serum to test any ill effects, an early step in a race to end the global health crisis.
For this vaccine, this is a really pandemic, so we try our best to make as quick as possible.
Sinovac is one of 5 Chinese companies or government labs already doing initial clinical trials. There are only 3 others underway outside China. China's vaccine industry has a patchy record, with a major company punished for selling ineffective tetanus vaccines and falsifying results 2 years ago. But regulators here are now working around the clock to fast-track approvals for Chinese companies.
But that not meaning we will cut down some certain steps for the development. And we still complete all the necessary steps based on the scientific principle to make this vaccine available.
Around the world, including in Australia, there are more than 100 different efforts to develop a vaccine. Human trials have already begun in the US and UK too, but experts warn making the initial vaccine is the relatively easy part. Rigorous tests that it's safe, it works and can be mass-produced is what usually takes at least 8 to 10 years.
I think 1 year, 18 months is realistic. We really can do that, no big problem. For example, some people said by end of this year, we can use this for the emergency needs for the high-risk population. I think basically we can do this.
Here in China, there's another problem. The number of new infections has dwindled in recent months. Vaccine makers say there now just aren't enough people in China with the virus, meaning they'll have to source infected people overseas for the 3rd phase of clinical trials. While experts caution against seeing vaccine development as a race, national pride is at play, with one military virologist stressing urgency. The Chinese government's global reputation has taken a hit from its initial failures to admit the severity of the virus and contain it. But being first with a vaccine would help change that. Bill Birtles, ABC News, Beijing.